And do you know what I love doing the most? Helping my mom with her shoots, learning camera from Pratik Bhaiya, and troubling Naseem Bhai. I have so much fun doing this. So together, we are going to cook some yummy and healthy food for you. So guys, welcome to my show.
Hello friends.
Hello friends.
Hello friends.
Hello friends. Okay, I learned it.
Hello friends, welcome
to our show.
Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Zoran on Zukazo. As usual, आज हम आपके लिए बहुत कुछ स्पेशल बनाने वाले हैं और वो स्पेशल क्या है आपको जोरान बताएगा. So Zoran, what are we cooking today?
Red Velvet Muffins.
And why are you cooking Red Velvet Muffins today?
Because today it's my dad's birthday and I want to cook him something special, healthy and nice.
So we want to cook him something that is healthy,
tasty and nice.
And also you want to give him a
surprise.
So let's get
cooking. Let's get to it. So guys, for this recipe we'll be using some milk, coconut sugar, beetroot puree, eggs, but if you don't want to use eggs, you can use yogurt, wheat flour mixed with oats, cocoa powder, my favorite chocolate chips, coconut oil, vinegar, salt and some baking soda. If you like what we are doing, like and share our video. Comment down below what should we be cooking next time for you. Subscribe to our channel, Zukazo. Do you know why it's called Zukazo? Because it's Zubin, Kabir and Zoran. Thank you. Dum diggy diggy bum bum. Keep watching us every Friday. Thank you.